NAS IO is a legit platform for earning online, especially for creators building paid communities, digital products, or challenges. But success depends on your effort and niche. NAS IO is backed by NAS Daily and designed to help creators monetize without needing followers, coding skills, or marketing experience. It offers tools to launch paid memberships, courses, and digital challenges in minutes. Verified reviews on Capterra and G2 rate it highly 4.7 out of 5 for ease of use and customer support. Users praise its WhatsApp integration, AI powered co founder tool, and fast setup. However, some note that pricing can feel steep for beginners or small communities. Trustpilot reviews echo similar sentiments. Creators love the platform's simplicity and community building features. But success isn't guaranteed. You still need to attract members, deliver value, and manage engagement. NAS IO isn't a scam. It's a real, well reviewed platform. But it's not a magic money machine either. If you're serious about building a digital business or community, it's a solid launchpad. Just know that results depend on your hustle.